Positive change requires structure. Tap on crucial building blocks in the 7 Ps of habit transformation for effective change. Purpose: understand your why creates direction and motivation to stay the course. Passion: passion fuels effort and energy in the journey of transformation. Pleasure: embrace the happiness that comes from becoming the person you want to be. Pain: use the fear of negative outcomes to drive towards positive change. People: surround yourself with who encourage your habit-changing journey. Process: break goals into manageable steps to sustain your efforts. Persistence: stay consistent and patient, focusing on one habit at a time. Develop the mental strength, support systems, and processes necessary for habit transformation. Whether breaking a bad habit or building new, positive behaviors, the 7 Ps of habit transformation shows the way how. Pick up a copy of the 5 Levels of Mastery for more on living your best life for love, happiness, and success.